We're going to be learning today about the mean, median, and mode. And we're going to learn a song that's going to help us remember what are each of these words. But first, let's talk about what do they mean. So we have the mode. The mean. The mean is the average, and we're going to learn how to find that in a little bit. The median is going to be the middle number. And it has to be organized from smallest to biggest. If it's not organized, we can't get that middle number. The mode is the one that's occurring the most. So which number shows up the most? That's called the mode. We have another word that's called the range. The range is the difference between the biggest and the smallest number. So that's important. Between the biggest and the smallest number, that's going to be my range. And then I have the word outlier. Outlier is a number that's way off. So it's a number that's either too big or too small. Something's wrong with it. You might have, for example, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 50. That's a number that's way out there. Okay? So let's sing. Okay? This is a song that goes to the notes of the row, row, row your boat. Okay, so this is how it goes. Mode, 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 the most, average is the mean. Median, 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 number in between. And yes, I want you to sing it, so now you guys try it. Mode, 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 the most, average is the mean. Median, 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 number in between. That's how I want you guys to remember what's what. Okay, let's look at how do we do the math for this. So this is our first example. They want us to find the mean, and they gave us all these numbers. My first step in trying to find the mean is I'm going to add them all up. So any number that they give me, if they want me to find the mean, or in other words, the average, I'm going to add them all up. So that's my first step. I went ahead and did it for you. I got 3,402. Step 2. My second step is going to be to divide the number by how many things I have. In this case, if I counted how many numbers I had 6. So all I did is I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 numbers. That's what I need to divide by. So I divided the sum by how many things I have, and I got 567. This is the average for all of those numbers. In example 2, they want us to find the median, and they gave us just a bunch of numbers all randomly. In order to work with this, I need to organize it from smallest to biggest. So that's going to be my step 1. Anytime I have any set of data, any set of numbers that are not organized, that's going to be my first step. So let's do it. I went ahead and just counted how many zeros I had, and I wrote them down. I have 5 zeros, 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 twos, 2 threes, 1 4, and 1 8. So here are my numbers. I've organized them from smallest to biggest. I'm now going to do step 2. Step 2 is going to be to cross the numbers out until I get to the middle number. If I end up with 2 numbers in the middle, I'm going to add them up and divide by 2. So let's take a look at ours. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cross them off with my marker. So I'm going to go ahead and cross them off. Cross, and remember it's 1 from each. So I was left with 1 and 2 in the middle. So in order to finish this off, it says if I end up with 2, add them up and divide by 2. So I'm almost done. 1 plus 2 divided by 2 is 1.5. So my median for all of these numbers is 1.5. If I was left with just one number, like if I was just left with 1, I would just say 1. But in this case, I was left with 2. So I had to do this extra step. And now now we're going to look at how do we find the mode. The mode is probably the easiest one to find because all you need to do is look at your data and see which number occurs the most. In order to do that, it makes it easier to make a table. If you make a table, it organizes all the numbers and you can easily find it. So I went ahead and made a table for this. They were talking about pets and how many people chose them. So 0 pets, 1 pet, 2 pet, 3 pets, 4 pets, 5 pets, and I went ahead and counted how many people. These are their answers. So they surveyed some people and these are the answers they got. So I went ahead and got how many people said they had 0 pets, and I got 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people said they had 0 pets. I counted how many said 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 said they had just 1 pet. And then for 2, I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 said they had 2 pets. And then how many said 3 pets? There was only 1 and 2 people that said they had 3 pets. 4, there was only 1 4, so 1 person said. And 0 people said they had 5 pets. So from here, I can automatically see which one showed up the most. I have 2 modes here, 0 and 2, because they both have 5. So it's a tie. Those 2 are called my mode. And you can have as many modes as you need if they tie. So if 2 things equal the same amount of people that said that, you can have as many modes. In this case, I have 2 modes, which are 0 and 2.